Tired of staring at the same plain white Google background every day? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to customize it with your own image, a new color, or a full Chrome theme. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and open a new tab. In the bottom right corner, click Customize Chrome. Then go to Appearance and select Change Theme. Here you'll see different theme categories. Choose any one you like, for example, the Asian Pacific and Islander Artists Collection. Your background updates instantly. Want a solid color instead? Go back to Solid Colors. Chrome will show you a palette of colors and shades. Just click the one you like. Want to use your own photo? Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then go to Customize Chrome, then Appearance, then Change Theme, then upload an image. Select a photo from your device, a travel shot, a family picture, anything you love. Click Open, and within a few seconds it appears as your new tab background. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can completely transform how Chrome and Gmail look every day. Give it a try and make your workspace feel like yours. For more Google Workspace tutorials and automation tips, visit xFanatical.